Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at input and output tables. So here we're given a scenario where Wendy earns $2 per week for sorting her family's recyclables. She wants to buy a purse that costs $14. How many weeks will it take Wendy to earn that money? And I see that they already gave us a table and there is an empty graph. So we can use this information that we're given. And I know that if my week is the input and my total money is the output, so that would make my week X and my total money Y, because the total money she gets depends on how many weeks that she's been sorting recyclables. Then the X column and the Y column will actually generate an ordered pair of XY. So my first point would be 1, 2. My second point would be 2, 4. Third point would be 3, 6. Then 4, 8. And then 5, 10. And so now that I know my coordinates, I know that I want to go put them onto the coordinate plane. And my x-axis, which represents weeks, is horizontal. My y-axis, which represents total money, is the vertical. So for the first point, 1, 2, I'll find 1 on my x-axis, which is right here. And then I'll go up to 2 for the y. So my point will go right there. The same thing with 2 and 4. I'll find the x value first and go up or down, depending on where it is, to the y value. So we have 2, 4. Then we have 3, 6, and by now I'm noticing a pattern that I'm just going up and over, up 2 and over 1 every time. So if I go up 2 and over 1, that puts me at 4, 8, which is a point in my table. And then up 2 and over 1 is 5, 10, which is another point in my table. But we want to know how many weeks it will take Wendy to earn the money. And there's a couple ways that we can do that. I can use my graph and continue the pattern until I get to 14. So if I continue the pattern, this puts me at 6, 12. And I would go up and over 1 more time, and that would put me at 7, 14. So it would take 7 weeks for her to earn the $14 that she wants.